Create a new blueprint. Blueprint class. Open it. Construction script is located at the top, next to viewport. You can move it around. Close it, close tabs to the right, or close all tabs. To open construction script, go to my blueprint panel, and under functions, you can click on construction script. Construction script is a place where your script runs before the game starts, and event graph is a place where your script will run while your game is running. So construction script before the game starts, event graph while we play the game. Go to your components tab and add a cube. You can close your blueprint. Go to the folder where your blueprint is created and just duplicate it and rename it to event. You can place both blueprints into your level. Just make sure to keep track of which one is which. I'll place construct on the left and event on the right. If you look at them, they are just white cubes. And if you play the game, they are still white. Now go to your blueprint event. Go to event graph. You can drag the cube from your components to your graph, and now drag from your cube and type. Set material. Connect event begin play to set material. Event begin play will start when an actor such as a character or object starts playing, so it will start when the game starts if the actor is present in the level. Set material will set a material of our targeted object. In our case, it's cube. Element index is which element of that cube. We will change color off. One object can have multiple elements. If we click on the cube and go under materials, we can see it only has one material, and it's element 0. Same index we put in our set material function, so we are changing that white element. Here we select a color that we want to use. I will select a random color and compile my blueprint. I'll go to my viewport, and as we can see, cubes are still white. But when I click play, one of the cubes changed color. And when I exit, it returned to white. So event graph starts when we start the game, and begin play starts when play begins for our actor or our blueprint. We can close this blueprint and open our BP construct. Go to construction script. If you try to look for event begin play, it doesn't exist here. Here we have construction script. It works similar to event begin play, except it will start the moment we connect something to it. Game doesn't have to run for construction script to run. Let's do the same thing we did in our event graph. Add cube to the graph, add set material function, and connect it to construction script. You can set your window like mine so that you can see level on the one side. Now if we change material and compile, it will change the material of the cube in the game. As you can see, the color of the cube changed. We are currently not playing the game, and the color is changed. So construction script runs before the game even starts. In your blueprint, under debug options, you can select your BP construct. And if you move your cube around, you can see execution pools running. It's running before we play the game. It's running when we are making changes to our object.